Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. The GM 8-speed automatic transmission, primarily known by its variants 8L90 and 8L45, represents a key step in General Motors' efforts to improve fuel economy and performance over its predecessor 6-speed units, like the 6L80. The GM 8-speed is a family of longitudinally mounted rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive automatic transmissions that debuted in 2014. Its design uses a globally patented gear set concept similar to the ZF8HP, prioritizing a wide overall gear ratio span to allow for lower engine speeds, downspeeding, and better fuel efficiency. Versions: 8L90 introduction in 2014, heavy-duty, high-performance version, max torque capacity, approximate 900 Nm, 664 lb-ft. 8L45 introduction in 2016, lighter-duty, efficiency version, max torque capacity, approximate 550 Nm, 406 lb-ft. 8L80 introduction in 2023, used in newer models. Max torque capacity, approximate 900 Nm, 664 lb-ft. History and in which cars installed. Introduction: the 8L90 was the first, introduced in 2014 to replace the 6L80 in high-performance and full-size vehicles. The 8L45 followed a bit later for lighter-duty applications. Design goal: to improve fuel economy by up to 5 to 10% and offer faster, more refined shifting compared to the 6-speed units. Installed vehicles: 8L90 heavy-duty, Chevrolet Corvette C7, Stingray, Z06 Grand Sport, Chevrolet Camaro SS and ZL1, Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with 5.3L and 6.2L V8, GMC Sierra 1500, full-size SUVs, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Escalade. 8L45 lighter-duty, Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon with V6, Cadillac ATS, CTS with 2.0L turbo or 3.6L V6, Chevrolet Camaro, 2.0L turbo, and some V6 trims. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: fuel economy, the primary benefit, achieved through the wider gear ratio spread, around 7.0 overall, and the ability to downspeed the engine at highway cruising speeds. Performance: faster shift times, up to 40% quicker than the 6L80 and the 8L90, and a steep first gear, around 4.56 to 1, for excellent low-speed acceleration. Non-sequential shifting: can skip gears, e.g., 8th to 2nd, for rapid response in extreme driving situations. Lightweight: uses an aluminum case and is relatively compact for an 8-speed unit. Disadvantages and general opinion. The GM 8-speed, particularly in its earlier years, 2015 to 2019, has been associated with significant negative owner opinion and multiple class action lawsuits due to reliability issues. Review: generally mixed. Praised for its potential performance and efficiency gains, but heavily criticized for the quality of the shift logic and long-term durability concerns. Many owners recommend getting the newer GM 10-speed unit if available. Faults and breakdowns, common issues. The most infamous issues which affect both the 8L90 and 8L45 are related to the torque converter and shifting. Torque converter shudder, the most common and widely reported fault. This is felt as a vibration, shaking, or shuddering sensation, especially during light throttle application at cruising speeds, 25 to 80 miles per hour. It is generally attributed to the torque converter clutch, TCC, failing to engage properly, which rapidly degrades the transmission fluid. harsh and delayed shifting. Owners frequently report rough, jerky, or clunking shifts, particularly a hard engagement when coming to a stop or a harsh 1-2 upshift after a period of rest. This has been linked to issues like valve body wear, solenoid malfunctions, or software calibration problems. Internal component wear, premature wear of clutch packs, and a broken 2-3-4-6-8 drum in the 8L90, leading to metal contamination, which can clog the valve body and cause gear slipping or transmission failure. GM has issued several technical service bulletins, TSBs, to address the shudder, often recommending a full fluid exchange with an updated, lower viscosity fluid formula. Lotion bottle oil and oil change. What oil? Original fluid. The transmission was originally filled with Dextrin HP ATF, high-performance automatic transmission fluid. Updated fluid. Due to the widespread shudder issue, GM issued TSBs recommending a complete fluid exchange to a new, lower viscosity fluid, often specified as Mobile 1 Synthetic LV ATF HP or an equivalent Dextrin ULV, Ultra Low Viscosity ATF. Always consult your vehicle's latest TSBs or an authorized GM dealer for the exact fluid specification. Fluid capacity. The total capacity is around 10.3 to 10.8 liters, 10.9 to 11.4 U.S. quarts, depending on the specific model. Oil change interval and procedure. Interval. Normal driving. Check your owner's manual, but intervals often fall between 45,000 and 60,000 miles. Severe conditions. If you frequently tow, haul heavy loads, or drive in high stress and hot conditions, the interval should be shortened, potentially to 45,000 miles or less. Procedure. A simple drain-in fill only replaces a portion of the fluid. To fully address the shudder and contamination issue, as per the TSBs, a complete fluid exchange and flush is often necessary to replace nearly the entire system capacity, which is a more involved process. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.